Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Red Bull is made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Here, exact proportions of water, sugar, caffeine, taurine, and vitamins are blended to ensure consistent energy and flavor.
Each batch is refined and tested for quality.
The throughput projection is up by 10% this quarter.
That's excellent news. The new articulated arms are really paying off.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Red Bull is made. 4 grades, from start to finish.
Subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Subscribe.